instead of shadows.
Hello everyone, GammaGreg here, and this is another episode of Styx, Method of Shadows. Let's stab some bitches. Let's go. We were here in this place full of humans. I can't use it here. Whoa, there's a lot of fuckers here. Is there a place that I can go up? No, there's not. Where's the door? There's a door. But I cannot open a door with these guards here. Maybe I should go back. There are some stairs here. Maybe with the stairs I can have a more clean path. Let's pick. And there's a cleaner here. Let's see the color of his blood. Yay! Oops. Oh, I can make that drop down. But not with this guy alive. Shh, 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 shh. What? Oh no! It was a horrible mistake. How the fuck am I going to go there? Maybe I should go through this way. But there's no path here. I really don't know where to go. This place sucks. What's the plan? I don't know what's outside there. And only a clone can go through that. Control the clone. Let's see what is here. He can't go through? That guy's not okay. Oh my god, this is so tense. I'm in the dark again, this is good. But those guys will see me as soon as I go. through. Oh, I would love to poison the guards, but I don't have time, I guess. Oh, come on, I don't have Ember? Up there. But how? Oh, I see how. Please don't have a lot of guards. The corners. Oh fuck me. Oh fuck me. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Oh my god. Okay, he's going away. Oh fuck. This doesn't look like a good place. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. No one saw nothing. Oh shit. Grab. Okay. Let's go through the high grounds. I think it's safer. What do you think? It's a good idea. I'll do as you said. Ooh, that's my objective. But I have to find a way to make those guards go away. Hey, I rhymed with way. That's a poor rhyme, but a nice rhyme anyway. Oh no, it's to the other side. So this is not the best place to go. I'm going to here. They haven't seen me. I know how you feel, bro. Oh, you're fucking kidding me. I've done a bad. I'll have to solve the problem then. Whoops. Oh my god. I'll have to kill this guy too. Oh shit, I'm killing everyone. This is not good. And I'm out of knives now. Yeah, rabid dogs on ass. It's a bad thing. Oh shit, I thought I would fall. Oh. Hello. Bye. I'm gonna drink it for safety. Let's see how things are. Okay. Shadows, shadows, shadows. It's below. And I'll drop here. Someone has seen me? I guess not. That's the library. There's a guard there. And there's someone watching. I don't think there's a second way to there. I'll have to... Oh fuck, there's a cleaner too. How am I going through this? I'm out without knives. And I'm tense. Whoa. Okay. Options. Kill everyone. Or make a distraction somehow. There are too many guards. I'm not going to kill everyone. I'm going to kill this guard. Let's hope that no one sees me. That noise was nothing. There is no such thing as a noise. And this guy is totally going to die. As soon as he... Oh, you're fucking kidding me! Now he's going to rest? Oh no. Why? My plan was perfect. Okay, this guy's going away. Where is my favorite guard? There's still the cleaner there. There he is. Fuck it. Quiet. You don't want to call attention. Oh my god, I'm so anxious. I'm on light, I don't like it. Oh, there are too many guards here. He's coming here. Ain't it fabulous? Oh, you fucker. Let's see if I can unlock the library while he's not looking. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Go, go, go! My button! My Eve jumped! Fuck me. I did it without dying! Yeah, I'm the best! Ow. Okay. Let's go to this room and finish the episode. That's right. It was great, wasn't it? I haven't died once. I'm feeling awesome now. This is so great. And the record didn't fail once. I'm so happy. Yeah. I'm GammaGreg. This was Styx, Master of Shadows. By the way, I'm Greg. GammaGreg, Master of Shadows too. Woo! See you guys on